Yo, I'm here with my book, Be the Artist. So we're trying to get this into different stores like Barnes and Noble. So we're gonna do a guerrilla marketing style. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do to get to where you wanna be. So we're gonna try to, actually just add it to their inventory guerrilla style. So let's go.
Guerrilla marketing.
It's not stealing, it's unstealing. It's forced giving. 2 days ago. We at Barnes and Nobles right now, Colorado Boulevard in Denver, Colorado. We about to just guerrilla style Be the Artist into Barnes and Nobles, hella high water. Let's go. Gotta find this art section.
Art section is actually not that long. Thank you.
You would've been there forever, man.
Perfect.
Oh, artist. Just that right there. That's the artwork. That's how you do it. Colorado Boulevard. Okay, now for the getaway. So we just guerrilla styled one signed copy of Be the Artist at Barnes and Nobles. It's not gonna be in their SKUs, so when you take it to the counter, just say, hey, it's not in your SKUs. This is a new book. You need to order this now. So hopefully they order a ton, and that is how you do what you gotta do to get to where you wanna be. Hella high water, all right?